long ago, a lone explorer named Arne Sacknussem made a fantastic descent to the fabled lost kingdom of Atlantis at the Earth's core. After many centuries, his trail was discovered, first by me, Professor Oliver Lindenbrook, my niece Cindy, student Alec, our guide Lars, and his duck Gertrude. But we were not alone. The evil Count Sacknussem, last descendant of the once noble Sacknussem family, had followed us to claim the center of the Earth for his power-mad schemes. He ordered his brute-like servant Torg to destroy our party. But the plan backfired, sealing the entrance forever. And so for us began a desperate race to the Earth's core to learn the secret of the way back. This is the story of our new journey to the center of the Earth.
Stop, Alec. The trail leads right into the volcano.
Yes, I saw, Professor. It seems impossible.
And yet we know that Count Sacknussem and Torg went ahead of us.
Yeah, that's a pretty good trick, all right. How'd they do it?
Good question, Lars.
Let them follow that trail, if they dare. They'll never figure out what I've done. And now, on to the center of the Earth, and to my rightful possession, the wealth of Atlantis.
Aha, I think I see.
What is it, Professor? You have an answer?
See? The stones making up the trail to this point have been smooth. But now they're sharp like this.
And that means?
It means that Count Sacknussem and Torg have deliberately hidden the real trail and built this false one to stop us. A fiendish device. But fortunately, we have the means to discover the genuine trail. This is a job for you, Gertrude.
This is the true trail, into this cave. But since we no longer have to fear pursuit, we can afford to explore a bit.
Come on, Gertrude, you can do it.
Good girl, Gertrude. You found the hidden trail. Volcanic composition.
Means we can expect fireworks. Crazy! Not even July 4th.
Look, initials.
And a map.
That can mean only one man.
Arne Sacknussem.
That noise. Come on!
There's no doubt that this map will lead us directly to the lost civilization of Atlantis.
And keep that nasty Count Sacknussem from following us.
You're sure this is the way, Professor?
Yes. The phosphorescent tunnel. This strong phosphorus light can dissolve bones in 2 hours.
Then we'd better get out of here. This job worth higher pay.
Unfortunately, our next passage is just as dangerous. According to the map, this is Destruction Canyon. Careful. The path is getting narrower.
You're telling me?
There should be a bridge soon. A bridge? Civilized men built this bridge.
I wonder who they were.
And I wonder why it's called Doomsday Bridge.
Whatever it's called, we've got to cross it, because Count Sacknussem is certain to be following us.
A map! My ancestor left it for me. Lindenbrook must have the rest of it. Come, Torg. We must catch them.
It's getting hot. The river, it's boiling.
We must hurry across. That sulfuric gas coming up.
Lindenbrook and his party have left a clear trail for us to follow.
No telling what strange properties this gas may have. Alex, Cindy, cover your faces.
Professor!
Suspended animation. We must warn Cindy and Alec.
The professor will be interested in him.
You have my map. I have your young friends. Shall we trade? I wait outside the tunnel, near the bridge, signed Count Sacknussem. Come on, Lars. We've got to get Cindy and Alec.
Professor, look!
Look at them, Torg. The professor will be making a poor bargain for these two. I wonder what's holding up the professor.
No, like this place.
Oh, let's get out of here.
Professor!
The web, Lars.
Good rope, that web. We can use.
Right. Now to rescue Cindy and Alec.
Oh, no! We can't cross the bridge.
Hurry, Lars. No time to lose.
Quick, Torg! Into this crevice! The professor. Not a word, Torg.
All right, Count Sacknussem. Where are Cindy and Alec?
You are ready to make a trade, then?
Of course you know those two are worth more to us than this map. Where are Cindy and Alec?
Not so fast, Professor. First, the map.
This is trick, I think.
Why should I trick you? All I want is my map.
Give it to him, Lars.
Mine. Mine. Now I shall gain the untold wealth of my heritage.
Not so fast, you two. Now you tell us where are Cindy and Alec.
Back there.
Better hurry, Lars. Don't know what we might find.
Yeah, I know like smile on that Torg's ugly face.
Good grief. Look at that.
Cindy and Alec. Stiff like poker, by God.
Suspended animation. Just like Gertrude.
Look.
Great Scott! That animal has been extinct for 1,000,000 years.
Don't look extinct right now, by God.
Oh, no. Something has brought it to life.
No time to lose.
I should say not. Look at that. Hurry, Lars.
You bet. Here I come.
That was a close call.
You bet. Lucky only 2 of them.
Only 2, yes. But we've got 3 on our hands now, all in a state of deep, suspended animation. And no telling whether we'll ever be able to get them out of it. It was obviously one of those gases that put Cindy, Alec, and Gertrude into this terrible condition.
We want to get him out.
Right. However, you remember our friend Tyrannus Rex?
He's no friend of mine.
Poor fellow, he meant no harm. He didn't want to come out of prehistory, but it must have been another gas that brought him to life.
Yeah. And if we find it...
It can do the same for...
Yeah, you pretty smart feller. Now you tell me how to find out which is which.
Yes, that's a problem. We can't take a chance and possibly get suspended ourselves.
Haha, now I show you. Lars pretty smart too, eh? You watch. Stiff like iron. That been wrong gas, by golly.
Lucky we didn't walk into it. Try that one.
Soft like rope. By golly, good guess, Professor.
Mostly luck. But now to revive Gertrude, Cindy, and Alec.
Ha-ha! The trail leads that way. Our next goal is the village of Stone. Come on, Torg. Once we're out of this tunnel, we shall find the village. Ah, the entrance to the village. Let's explore this place, Torg.
Be glad you can move at all. I thought we'd never move a hand or a foot again. Some people never satisfied.
Luckily, this soft pumice holds the footprints of Torg and the Count well. Let's follow them. I see the end of the cave. Hurry! Only a severe earthquake could have shaken this hut down.
I wonder where that Count and his ugly Torg are.
This place is scary.
Nonsense. How could a bunch of old buildings hurt anyone? Oh. It's a message from Arne Sacknussem. Call Professor Lindenbrook. Danger from crawling death.
Obviously, the inhabitants were forced out by some great danger. I wonder what it was.
Uncle Oliver! Lars!
I go see what Cindy wants.
Volcanic rock.
An earthquake! I saved you, Professor!
No! Run for your lives!
And we wouldn't leave the Professor behind. You bet, by golly. Watch out, Professor! Fungus!
Fungus?
Catch, Professor!
Thank you, Lars. You saved my life.
Oh, I charge you extra on wages you don't pay me.
Now we know what happened to the poor creatures that built this village.
Luckily, the fungus is on the other side of that earth crevice.
Hey, the danger's not over.
That won't help, Gertrude. The fungus is made of millions of living creatures bound together in a colony. Nip it in two and both parts are alive.
Don't worry, Gertrude. I won't let the fungus get you.
Uh-oh, look. We may need someone to save us all before this is over.
Our friends have managed to follow us, but I'm happy to say they've come to the end of their trail. Goodbye, Professor! Sorry you can't come along with me.
The Count? We'll catch up with you yet.
I don't think so.
Oh, no! It's coming right at us!
Goodbye, Professor! And good riddance. Come on, Torg.
Professor, what we do now?
I don't know. It looks like this is the end.
My God, we never been in danger like this one. I just petrified.
What did you say, Lars?
I say scared.
No, before that. How scared, Lars?
Our last minutes on Earth, and he's quibbling about words.
Words are powerful things, Alec. You've saved us again, Lars.
Me?
Of course. Why didn't I think of it myself? Suspended animation. If it works on other living things, why not fungus?
Hooray! It works!
Come on, Torg. We can't slow down now. No telling when that fungus will come this way. Only a little way. There's the lake. We'll soon be off this terrible island. You've got to admit I always keep my promises.
Don't let it touch you.
Just think, Torg. In a little while, we'll take a nice sail on the lake.
Very nice, Count. Perhaps we can all escape from this island on your raft.
Oh, no, you don't, Professor. You stay right where you are.
You don't mean you'd leave us behind to perish?
Torg, get the map and we shove off.
Where map go? Pass here. Now gone.
All right, Professor. I know this is your doing. Where did you hide the map?
I never touched it. I didn't even see it.
I'm going to count to 3, and you'd better talk before then. 1. I'm surprised at you, Professor. A man of honor, I thought. You made a deal with me, and now you treacherously try to deceive me. 2.
I assure you.
Very well, it's your choice. I can get along without the map. But I doubt if the Lindenbrook expedition can get along without its leader.
No!
No, little lady. This is your uncle's finish.
Stop! I hid the map.
You? Where?
There.
Torg, the axe!
Now they get little bit of their own, what you say, medicine.
We won't take the map. After all, a bargain's a bargain. But it's very nice of you to let us read it for our next move on our journey.
And very nice, make a strong raft for Cross Lake.
Hey, let's see, Professor. Where do we go next?
According to the map, we will be in the land of the fire worshippers when we cross the lake.
Will Torg and the Count stay suspended forever?
No. I strongly suspect the next earthquake will release some of the desuspension gas that saved you and Alec. But of course, that may not happen for years and years.
Well, that be soon enough for me.